Lesson 3.2 talks a great deal about theatre. What is theatre? How many types of theatre there are? When you think of theatre, you probably think of a dramatic setting in Taichung's new building. But it's more than that. The theatre that we've talked about does indeed talk about Toyo Ito and his productions or his manufacturing and design of the theatre in Taichung. But it also talks about the movie theatre over on Tiger City and the various different movies that are showing there. So there's not just one type of theatre, there's two or three. What's the third one? Well, television. And television includes advertising. So lesson 3.2 is going to go on and talk about the different types of advertising and how something called product placement comes into it. Seeing a Burger King in a famous movie helps produce and makes us want a Burger King. The use of a Coca-Cola bottle in the same advert is shown and outlined how these things make a change. Watch the video of the young lady from America talking how product placement has changed the way that we produce movies and indeed how movies are paid for. The lesson goes on a little bit about Maslow's hierarchy of needs and what we need to do in terms of food, shelter, and self-esteem. And then moves on to areas where Andy Warhol, Damien Hirst, and many other recent artists have made a huge difference to art in the business world. Unit 3, Next Step in Entertainment, Lesson 2. Part A is a theatre play program. This lesson is again very simple to explain. You'll be shown a program from a theatre play. You'll be asked to find out specific information from that program. Lesson B is a little different. It uses a publicly available podcast. You may listen to this podcast as many times as you like. Enjoy the lesson, answer the questions, and we'll see you soon for the summary later on.